steps.
Lots of them.
Going to shake your knees.
All right, let's pick this up when we get back up, when we get up on top. All right, so we made it to the top. Holy cow. In case I forgot to mention it, we're at the Taoist temple, just right here in Cebu, I guess. There's a city. So let's take a peek. Huh? Hello. Okay. Yeah, there are certain rules that you have to abide by. Yeah, you gotta kind of be aware of your surroundings when you come into these temple grounds. Yeah, they got some pretty strict policies, which probably date back to thousands of years ago. You know, Buddhist temples, whatever. Very nice. Yep. Okay, so there you have it. Please observe silence, no picture taking of saint inside or the altar as background. Alright, easy enough. Just kind of a bird's eye view of the area. Yeah. So this is the right down here is the main temple, I guess, whatever you want to call it. So, all right, we'll pretty much leave it at that then. Yeah, I don't want to turn around and shine the camera over there. I think I did enough of that when we walked over here. So, follow the rules. So, anyways, Taoist temple, Cebu, Philippines. All right, signing out, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.